Have you been watching English videos for months, but when it's your turn to speak, nothing comes out? You freeze. You overthink. You feel stuck. And maybe you start to believe, I'm just not good at languages, but that's not true. It's not you. It's the method. Let me show you how your brain really learns to speak. Look at a baby learning their first words. They don't study grammar. They don't memorize verbs. They just listen, feel, and use their voice. Every single day. Speaking activates over 100 areas in your brain. Listening alone? Just a few. Your brain needs output. Your voice is the switch. Want to know how polyglots do it? They don't just watch. They talk. They repeat. They shadow. They sound silly, and they keep going. That's how fluency is built. That's how new languages are wired into the brain. And that's how you will speak English. This channel is not for passive watching. It's your English speaking gym. You'll train with real phrases, real rhythm, and real emotion. Repeat with me. Out loud, every day. Because only by using your voice, you'll make English your own. Subscribe now. Your voice is your superpower. Train it every day. Welcome to Use Your Voice.